did then, we just didn't go. Is it a good one though?
I know they've had good ones because Jeff said like their son, but they say yes that he does it. He does it at Buffalo Springs. They say yes.
They spend way too much money on these.
Here comes this big one. That one's pretty. It's like the earth and then the circle
one
around.
up there somewhere. There
I thought so. It looked
4th of July, 4th of July.
higher.
That looks like a boat.
What they call that?
All that stuff was falling on us. We'd get up and
That one's pretty. This will be uploaded on my video. Because it goes for a while. Start.
That one right there. It's like
Whoa.
there's a cow. Yeah, walking down the road, isn't it?
Oh my. Bro, those look so cool. Oh my gosh, those are so cool, guys. Whoa. Oh, look at that one. Guys, have fun. Uh-oh, here comes a big one.
And those get high.
Those are best. Oh, that one definitely was cool. Comment down below which one you like. Yeah, no. Comment down below which one you like. Whoa! Changes colors. That's so cool. Trying to get all the fireworks, guys. That's what I can do. If I can't get all of them, it's just that. That one looked like a upside down snow bear. A snow, something.
That's cool.
Whoa!
That one's pretty.
Bam! That one awesome. Sit back and relax, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, dang!
See that one?
Oh,
Those ones that
we need something in the middle of that one. Oh! Yeah,
waterfall.
they are big. This is how far we are. We're far from them, but we can still see them because they're big. But my phone makes them small. Oh my. OMG.
Like, that would be right about there.
Right about there. I can't get zoomed in. Fireworks, fireworks, boom, 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 boom. Also today I got stinged by a bee. I sat on it. I got my thigh though. Bees make a loud sound and it goes around pretty much the whole room. Everybody watches them. They're pretty cool. And those are the ones that are cool. If y'all can't see me, it's because my mouth is, yeah, those. Oh, but they're loud and it's annoying. Just make it sound until it's like fully done. That's like a light, kind of. That ones look pretty cool. But I think the yellow is the white, because I don't think they have white. There they go. They got some gold out there. Dang, how many are these?
How many people in Seminole would know Oldfield Road just to go down and look at all these videos?
That was a star.
Huh?
That one was a star a second ago.
Yeah. Oh, that one was pretty cool. Aw, that one is kind of cool.
Probably. Oh yeah, they go.
That red one made a heart. Still going. Yep.
That was cool.
Okay, my head is tired. That one was pretty cool. Oh, look, that one. Ooh, yeah. That one was huge. That one was huge.
Going up.
That one's going far. Right there. That one would have got Santa Claus. I'm waiting for a cool one. There we go. orange color. That one's cool. Oh, I love these fireworks. Earth. That one's going far. Just gonna be on it until this is ending, okay, guys? Yeah, I got it recorded too. I don't know how they did that. See, there was another one. Yep. Guys, we are looking at a fire truck over there. Dog can still watch fireworks. Oh, that fire truck's coming over.
Coming to get you.
Here comes another one.
Maybe it's on the other side of town or something. Now this may be the grand finale.
Just aim at the fire.
I don't know. They're trying to look up now. They turned this off over there too. I don't know. Maybe they were wanting to get out before the. What'd she say? Check on our fire up there. Yeah, check on our fire up there. I don't know. Go ahead and water for us so we can have a Roman candle fire.
That's good, guys. Bye.